Welcome to today's update. We are taking a look at Solana here on the weekly time frame, and the price is currently down more than 74% from its all-time high of $295 we had back in January 2025. And also right now we are sitting at a major key level of support, a support that was last tested back in January 2024 and also here in February 2022. So the question is this the right time to accumulate Solana right now, or we should wait for much more lower prices? In this video, we are going to be looking at a lot of data here and also a lot of price action on the Solana price chart, which is going to give us an idea if this is the right time to accumulate Solana, or we should wait a little more before accumulating. Without further ado, let's dive in. Looking at the entire price structure of Solana, we are still looking very bearish here on the weekly time frame, and this is because we are still in a bear market. But the most interesting part is that we are strongly holding above this major level of support here, sitting at the $83 level to $76 level. What I don't want to see on the price chart right now is a break below the level, because if you see a weekly candle closing below this level, we are definitely going to test another major level of support here, sitting at the $52 level to $44 level, and also a break below this $44 level. Yeah, we might be looking at the lows we had back in 2022 bear market. But another interesting part of this price chart is that if you take a look at the RSI, you will see that we are currently at the same level where we saw the end of 2022 bear market. Now, taking a look at it here, this was exactly the level we printed the lowest level on Solana price chart back in 2022. And if you take a look at the RSI in 2022 as well, we hit an oversold level here and we printed a little bullish divergence that gave us the exact bottom of the 2022 bear market. Now, if you take a look at the 2026 bear market, we've already seen the price fell below the oversold level, and right now we are looking like we are definitely creating the same bullish divergence we saw back in 2022. Let me draw it out for you so that you can see it properly. Now, if you take a look at the price here, this is what we're having right now on the price chart. But on the RSI, we are now creating a little bullish divergence here that can easily tell us that this is the end of the bear market. So accumulating Solana here on spot is not a bad idea if you do it strategically and you do it with the proper risk management. This is not a bad idea to accumulate Solana on spot at this level, because as you can see, we are now showing the same sign we saw back in 2022 bear market bottom. And as long as we keep creating this bullish divergence here on the price chart and also on the RSI, Solana is due for a proper rally. And in order to confirm this bullish divergence here on the weekly time frame, what I want to see from the price is a break above the 20 SMA, because if you take a look at it here in 2022, after creating this bullish divergence here, we had a little bit of sideways price action, which is this level right here, and what we saw next was a massive break above the 20 SMA, and this immediately pretend the end of the bear market. We sent Solana into much more higher prices. So what I'm waiting for right now on the price chart, what I want to see now that we are now creating the same pattern we saw in 2020 bear market, is the price to be above the 20 SMA, which is the 20 simple moving average. So we are looking very, very good here, and it's not a bad idea to accumulate on spot at this level. So that is that for the weekly time frame. And what we need to do is to hold firmly above this level, the $83 level to $76 level, so that the bullish formation can be valid. But immediately we see a weekly candle close below this level here, then we are definitely going to grab the lows that is currently sitting at the $52 level and the $44 level. Another price chart we are going to look at here on Solana is the daily time frame. The daily time frame is a day-to-day movement, and this tells us what the price is reacting to immediately. Now, taking a look at the price, we are currently sitting in a bear flag pattern, and the last time we saw the bear flag pattern here was back in January 2026, and what came next was a massive breakdown. But taking a look at it here in April, right now we are still within the bear flag, and we are holding strong above the support level, which is the on the daily time frame here, which is the $77 level to $75 level. A break below the $77 level to $75 level, this is going to repeat the same price action we saw here in this bear flag. So right now on the daily time frame, we are not looking as bullish as we are on the weekly time frame. The weekly time frame is looking more bullish compared to the daily time frame. In order to avoid this bear flag from playing, what we need to do right now is to get a massive rally, break above the level of resistance on the bear flag pattern. Then from there, we can easily break above this major level of resistance, and we will easily invalidate this bear flag pattern we are currently printing at this level. So that is that on the daily time frame. Like I said, we are looking very, very weak, and if we are to get a bounce from this level, the next key level of resistance, which is currently sitting here on the weekly time frame, is the $117 level to $127 level. If we can see the price break and hold the level, then we might be testing the $200 level to the $210 level. So these are the major resistance here on the weekly time frame, and immediately we see the price breaking above the 20 SMA. This is a bullish sign that we are getting a reversal from this bearish trend here on the weekly time frame. But like I said, on the daily time frame, we are looking very, very weak, and we are looking like we are definitely going to see much more lower prices. Now, if we take a look at the pair of Solana against BTC, we are currently in a descending channel right here, and the last time I had a descending channel, what we saw was a massive break at this level. Let me draw it out so that you can see it properly. Now, here back in 2021, we saw the pair of Solana against BTC being at this descending channel right here, and what we saw next, after after months of depressed price action inside the descending channel just like this, what we saw next was a massive breakout. And right now you can see the price is currently coiling inside the descending channel again, and we are already sitting at a major level of support we saw back in May 2022. So if this support can hold, and if this descending channel should play out, we are definitely going to see Solana rallying to much more higher prices against BTC, and this is going to put Solana against USDT into much more higher prices. So right now on Solana against BTC, we are looking more solid, and we are looking more bullish here on the price chart. What we don't want to see from the price is a break below this level, because if we see a break below this level now, we are definitely going to test this major level on the descending channel. And also, if we fail to hold above the descending channel support, then we might be testing the low we saw back in 2022 and 2023 bear market. So this is what we currently have on the pair of Solana against BTC. To me, we are looking very much bullish here, and we are likely to see a bounce from this level, and a bounce from here is going to put us into much more higher prices on the USDT pair. So this is it for Solana price chart. And also, if you take a look at Solana ETF, it's not doing quite well, because as you can see, the total ETF is having minus 332k Solana being withdrawn out of the ETF, and this is not something that we want to see. What we want to see is major massive inflow that will come into the ETF, and this is going to bring a lot of liquidity into the entire ecosystem. So right now Solana is looking very, very weak. The past 48 hours we have seen $2 million being withdrawn out of the ETF, and this is something we never wanted to see. If you take a look at the entire total ETF in terms of US dollars, we are sitting at a major loss of $27 million. So Solana with ETF is not performing very well, and very soon I would like to see a change here so that we can see inflow into the ETF, and this is going to put Solana into much more higher prices. Now, if you take a look at the key level of liquidity on the Solana price chart, as you can see, taking a look at 1 month of price action, looking at it here technically, we only have a little bit of liquidation sitting at the 76k level, which is acting as a major level of support right here. So maybe we might get a little bit of dip to grab the liquidity at the 76k, which is currently sitting here on the liquidation heat map, and maybe after grabbing in them from there, we can begin to see much more higher prices. Because if you take a look at other liquidity, we have a little bit of liquidity sitting at the $94 level, and also here the $99 level to $100 level, and as well as this level $103 level and $107 level. But if you take a look at the price, we are a little bit more closer to the liquidity sitting at the $76 level. So we might come down to grab the liquidity sitting at the $76 level. Then after that, then we might be looking at much more higher prices, which is much more higher liquidation here on the price chart. So far so good. Like what I've been saying, accumulating Solana on spot at this level is not a bad idea, because here on the weekly time frame, we are looking more bullish and looking more solid, or looking more like a bottle formation here, just like what we saw back in 2022. So this is what we have on the Solana price chart, and tell me what you think about Solana on the comment section. And if you have an altcoin that you really want me to take a look, drop it on the comment section as well. With that being said, this has brought us to the end of today's video, and if you find this video very useful and you want to continue to watch this kind of content, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel right here, turn on the notification bell, so that next time when I make a new video, you will definitely be notified. I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.